Hi everyone. In today's video, I will tell about the cloud Moodle. Normally, we will use the Moodle software to conduct online quizzes, online exams. In last previous video, we have given I have given virtual classroom using Google Classroom. By using Google Classroom, we can create assignments, quizzes, questions and materials will automatically forwarded to the students. Similarly, Moodle software also do the same thing. Okay, but whenever we don't have any system, normally Moodle software will be installed in laptop or desktop. Okay, in order to install Moodle, we need to download the Moodle version as well as XAMPP server. In order to do, we need to do all the settings in the system as well as desktop or laptop. Okay, if you don't have any system, we need to use the Moodle. Okay, we have to use the Moodle without the system. Okay, in the mobile we have one site which is similar to Moodle. The Moodle quizzes, assignments, the same platform will be available in this website. That is, just go to the Google Chrome, open the Google Chrome and search for Gnomio. It is Gnomio. Gnomio. Gnomio.com. This is the website. We can see clearly like that. It is Gnomio.com. It is a cloud-based Moodle. Okay, we need not to install any exam. We need not to install any version. Nothing is necessary. Just go to the Gnomio.com. We need to create our account. Okay, you need to enter your URL. URL in the sense means your website, your particular classroom in the sense. Okay, this website will be accessed to all the students. Just enter your, here you need to enter your, I will enter in the Sagar Moodle. Okay, and you need to enter your email ID, select your language and create the site. Okay, just after creating the site, your Moodle, cloud-based Moodle will be created with sagarmoodle.gnomio.com. Okay, the URL will look like this. That is https://sagarmoodle.gnomio.com. You need to share this URL to the students. Okay, I have created sagarsvcn.gnomio.com. okay, this is my Moodle platform. This Moodle cloud-based platform is similar to normal Moodle software versions. Okay, this is the video about how to create cloud-based Google Moodle. In order to go in detail about this Moodle, we have so many options: how to create the quiz, how to create the category, how to add the participants, how to add the students, how to enroll the users. Okay, everything will be done in this Moodle. Okay, now in this video I am just explaining how to create the Moodle platform in the mobile using cloud-based Moodle. Okay, after that you can just start your assignments, which if you already know how to create the quizzes, how to add the participants, how to enroll the users, you can do the same thing here also. Okay, you need to log in as admin. I am creating, this is my account. I am logging here with that admin account, same, which is look like same Moodle software. Okay, but it is a cloud based. We need to have the only internet itself. We don't have any exam. We don't need any exam. we don't need any software need to be installed from Google. Just go to the genome.com and you need to create your own website. This is the overall briefing about how to create the Moodle for virtual classroom. Okay, if you go in deeper, we have different parts available in this Moodle. The parts will be explained in later videos. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching this video.